Free. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, creator of us. And definitely today I'm going to conduct the topic on suffix and prefix part 2. So directly I will go to conduct the class. As you know that affix has two parts. One is prefix and suffix. And you know that what is prefix? Pre before and suffix after from the root word. So like possible, it will be in prefix, like impossible. Suffix will be what? Teacher, yeah, teach, who teach. So it will be teacher. Okay, but I told you definitely one thing you have to remember. What is this? That is you have to read the passage again and again to understand the meaning. If you don't understand the meaning, it is going to be the opposite. It is going to be the positive. Easily we can find out. So read the passage again and again. The most important things for suffix and prefix. And the another one is what? Suffix prefix depends on what? Which parts of speech? That is, there are 8 parts of speech, but among them we have to follow only 4 parts of speech. One is what? Noun, adjective, verb, adverb. Because only these 4 we can change, we can transfer from one part of speech to another, like noun to adjective, adjective to noun. That's why the 4 most important to be remembered. Okay. I gave you a few clues in here, like how would you understand? In the last portion of the letter will help you, that is under all the words under suffix. How? Like s, es, d, ed, ing, yly, ish, ear, est, nes, be, by, less, hood, full, sheaf, ace, dome, ion, nt, auto, extra, x, co, inter, try, nt, under, of, over, etc. So if we use the root word given after these kinds of letters, it will help you to convert it to suffix. That means suffix means, you know, after. So as usual, we have some clues of the letters which help you to do the prefix. Okay, like on, this, d, pre, re, im, I, r, il, in, over, out, up, sub, pro, for, miss, anti, auto, extra, be, by, x, co, inter, tree, anti, under, of, over, etc. Like this. So the which root word will be the given, if we use before, that means prefix. So pre, before, suffix, after. Like 1, 2, 3. So 1 is in here, 1 is prefix, and 3 suffix, and 2 root word. Okay, I hope understand. So the most important 4 things you have to remember: noun, adjective, verb, adverb. So the formula will be like this: prefix, root word, suffix. Okay. But what is the uses of actually suffix? The uses of s in suffix, the uses of s like this: cow plus s, it will be cows. Box, uses of es, it will be box, plus es, it will be boxes. Okay. Use of d, prove plus d, proved. Use of ed, play plus ed, played. Use of en, beat plus en, beaten. Use of ing, do plus ing, doing. Y, use of y, I'm talking about suffix, be careful, I'm talking about the suffix, the clue. Yeah, okay. So use of y, like dirt plus y, it will be dirty. ly, use of ly in suffix. Kind plus ly, kindly. I'm giving the word so that you could understand easily. Like use of ear, ear. What is the use? Use small plus ear, smaller. Use of est, great plus est, greatest. Okay, use of ish, as I told the before, the clue words, but how you will convert it? Full plus ish, it will be foolish. Use of full, care plus full, it will be careful. So these letters will help you that is the under of suffix. Now as the same category, in prefix, use of un, we are habitued. So un plus kind. In the method of suffix we use kind plus ness. If we hold this word kind, it will be depends on the passage. Remember, passage is important. Kind. So if you wish to use the according to the passage, un, so it will be unkind prefix, and kindness, it will be suffix. Okay. So use of dis plus honest, dishonest. Use of d plus form, deform. I'm talking about prefix. Use of, how will you understand? Most important. Like im plus moral, mortal, immortal. Pre plus caution, precaution. Re plus collect, recollect. Ir plus regular, so it will be irregular. In plus direct, it will be indirect. Ill plus legal, it will be illegal. En plus rich, it will be enrich. Miss plus use, it will be misuse. Auto plus biography, it will be autobiography. Extra plus ordinary, so extraordinary. Be plus little, it will be little. Inter plus national, it will be international. So the use of these kinds of letters, which I explained in the upper portion in the beginning, that is the clue of suffix, that is the clue of prefix, you will understand. So the most important, the word you have to remember. I know you know all the words which is given. So because of what? Because we can change the divert into verb to noun and noun to verb. We can change it. So it will be very easy for you to understand this. Okay. Then now one thing we have to, I think you have to focus on it. That one is what? That is how you will change. I'm talking about, but how you will change. I'm giving you some clue in here. If you make a fold list for chart, okay, so one is noun. I talked about noun. From noun, how you will convert the word into verb, adjective, adverb. That is important. That is important. Okay. So that is most important, that there is given in the passage. The root was given, but how you will change, that's the important. So like there is a noun, posted noun in here, noun, ability. So what will be the verb of ability? It will be unable. If we change, there are 8 parts of this, but 4. Why? Because it can be changed. It can be changed. We can change it. Ability, so noun given ability, so a verb will be unable, adjective will be able, adverb will be ably. Okay, same as like society, noun, society is a noun, so what will be the verb? Socialize. What will be the adjective? Social. What will be the adverb? Socially. So do you understand? From society, given the word noun, society, but you change, it can be changed. That's why you convert in verb, it will be socialized. If you convert in adjective, it will be social. If you convert in adverb, it will be socially. Like power, power. What will be the verb? Empowered. What will be the adjective? Powerful. Huh? In the film I saw, powerful people comes from the powerful places. KGF. Okay, like the word, adjective. And adverb will be what? powerfully. So suppose industry. What will be the verb? Industrialize. What will be the adjective? Industrial. What will be the adverb? Industrially. Opening. Like opening is a noun, you know, opening are given clue. All the clues already has been given. If you repeat this lecture, you could able to understand how we'll understand that is noun, verb, adjective, adverb. In part 1 also I mentioned. So opening is a noun definitely. So what will be the verb of opening? If you convert, it will be open. What will the adjective? Open. Both are the same. What will the adverb of opening? Openly. I hope you understand what I mean to say. So that is called, that's why we need the 4, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, because it can change. Like creation. What will the verb? Create. What will be the adjective? Creative. Adverb? Creatively. So the noun creation, you know, ION, that's why it is noun, and the verb creation, noun, but verb will be create, and adjective will be creative, and adverb will be what? Creatively. So most important, that is like good, noun, goodness, noun, but we cannot find out the verb in here. Goodness, no verb, but it adjective, it has an adjective. It will be adjective is what? Goodness, good. And adverb will be what? Goodly. So the most important, the 4, the change, how you will change the form of the given word, that is the important. So you have to know and keep practice so that we could understand easily. Okay, so now I will give you another one for practice that I sent already in your phone. That is a passage I sent. What is the passage? So you can check it, the passage. So we'll do a passage suffix prefix to solve it. Okay. So I think all you will share with me the given passage. Someone please read the passage, because the most important, anyone, Boichi, read the passage, Boichi. Okay, so most important is what? If you read the passage again and again, it will be helpful, because if you don't understand the meaning, you can't solve it. Whatever rules I will give, it doesn't matter. You have to follow the rules. You have to know everything. But the most important is what? The most important is what? The most important is what? We have to understand the meaning of the passage. It's going to, like honest, it will be dishonest, or it will be honest. It depends on the passage. Okay, so read the passage, please.
Smoking is a dangerous bad habit.
Yeah.
It is harmful to health. It is also cost.
Yeah.
Smoke should not smoke public. Smoking cigarettes pollute. Smoking causes many curable disease. It causes comfort to others. It causes irritation in the eyes and settle the mind. But there are many people who are aware of the bad effects of smoking.
Yeah, thanks a lot. So let me read you again, because to read again and again help you. Okay, smoking is a danger, bad habit, in the bracket root word danger. It is harm to health, harm root word. It is also cost. A smoke should not smoke public. Smoking creates pollute. Smoking causes many curable diseases. It causes comfort to others. It causes irritation in the eye and settled the mind. But there are many people who are aware of the bad effects of smoking. So if we read deeply the passage sometimes positive, sometimes negative, sometimes awareness, sometimes go to the under of the government decision. Yeah. So that is forbidden. Sometimes we can see in here forbidden also. The sentence I repeat. Okay. So let's go to the first one. Okay. Smoking is a danger, bad habit. So what will be the answer? Can anyone guess?
Dangerous.
Yeah. So good. Thank you. So smoking is a danger. It will be dangerous. Dangerously bad habit. No doubt. Definitely. Okay. It is harm. So it will be what?
Harmful.
To health. Okay. It is also what? Expensive or that is cost. Costly. Yeah. Adverb. Very good. Our smoke should not smoke.
Smoker.
Yes. A smoker who smoke, we can call them smoker. So a smoker should not smoke. What? Public will be public. Yes. Public will be public. So the F number is what? Another one. Smoking creates pollute. Smoking creates yeah, changes noun. Pollution. Good. Yeah, absolutely. And here is another one. Smoking causes many curable. Yes, because we will fail. Yeah? Incurable. It causes comfort to others.
Uncomfortable.
Yes, definitely discomfort. Okay, it's not feel comfort. If someone smoke in a public place, it's not good. Okay, and it causes irritation in the eye and settle is given. So the word of settle, unsettles the mind. Yes, we cannot. But there are many people who are. But there
Unaware.
a few lines in the previous few lines goes to negative. But now what? Going to the positive side. But few. But there are many people who are aware. The given word, root word aware. It will be what?
Unaware.
Yes. It will be unaware of the bad effects of smoking because they don't know. Because a driver, when drives a car or whatever the vehicles, if he or she doesn't know about the traffic rules, they will not maintain the traffic rules. So it is important to know, to read what is the effects, what is the good effects. You have to know. So by reading this passage carefully, we could able to understand it. So definitely suffix and prefix. I know you are all expert because in my part 1, yeah, I did the lecture and part 2. So completely today, if you follow and repeat the video again and again, you could able to understand. So the summarize will be, how will the summarize from affix, 2 parts, suffix and prefix. What is suffix, what is prefix? Ask yourself. Okay, and you have to know the 4 parts, most important from parts office are given to help you to understand the suffix and prefix, that is noun, adjective, verb, adverb. And I gave a sentence. If you follow the sentence of the structure, you can easily understand what I mean to say. So practice, keep practice. And I would like to give thanks to all of you to join and come here. And I hope only concentration, practice will help you to understand all the parts of the grammar. And still then, see you in the next class. Stay safe at home, and I wish you all the best and keep practice. Thanks a lot. All the best. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.